guess what? Toy hunt today. I'm so excited, and especially because I'm going with this guy right here who is being my chauffeur today. So, yeah.
Hello.
Yay! So anyway, Chad and I are going to, oh my goodness, I mean, places I have never, ever been. So I'm so excited going to Toys R Us. Of course, I have my Toys R Us, but you know. Disney store. Yay for the Disney store. Fries. And where else are we going? Five Below and Hot Topic. I don't even know what those places are, so I'm so excited
You've
to
been
be
to a Hot Topic.
Yeah, but my Hot Topic is... Your Hot Topic is... So anyway, but I've never been to Five Below. So anyway, so excited. So anyway, let's just go ahead and get started on this toy hunt because I cannot wait. Looking for lots and lots of
Toys.
Yeah, you're looking for toys. I'm looking for some dolls. And, ooh, yeah, going to look for some, what are them little things called? Itty bitties. Is that right? Yes, itty bitties. So anyway, we're gonna have so much fun on this day. Yay! Okay guys, so I'm in Toys R Us and on the Barbie row. Oh my goodness, awesome. Ooh, she's pretty. Anyway, so hoping to find something in here. Gonna get over to the Ever After High and the Monster High dolls here in a minute. But I have to stop at the Barbie row first. And who knows what else I'm gonna be finding in here. Hope it's also fun. Chad is making fun of my big camera. Shame on you.
It's funny. There's no new Monster High doll, so don't even go over there. You can show them,
that's
but
where I was going next.
go ahead.
No Boo York?
Nope.
No Boo York?
Nope.
Oh, that's so sad. I wanted Boo York.
Nothing. Dun dun dun.
Well, so sad. So. What you see? Oh, yeah, I've got all those. Yeah. Oh well. On to another section. I'm gonna check out the Lala Loopsy section. I love Lala Loopsy. Isn't she oh so precious? I haven't got any Lala Loopsies in a while, so I wonder if they have any. Oh, I need some more Lala Loopsy blind bags. I don't see any. Oh my goodness, not. Oh, but these are so cute. Strawberry shortcake. Oh, I love strawberry shortcake. And now they got all these her little other friends. So cute. Love, love. Oh, look, here's a whole set. Oh, aren't they cute? Wow. I like them. Look at all those strawberry shortcakes and her friends. I think they're cute. Look at all these little Disney dolls. I think they are so cute. Look at Snow White. She's so gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at her. Her hair is, oh, what's wrong with her hair? It's all messed up and this one's so funny. There's Merida. Oh, I think those are so cute. Love, love. Oh, look, there they are. It's all little ballerinas. How sweet is that? Let's go over here and see what Chad's looking at. Maybe he's finding something oh so wonderful that I just can't pass up.
So cool.
So, what did you find?
Minions!
Minions! Oh, Minions. Wow. Now, they don't have Minion blind bags here.
I already looked.
No Minion blind bags.
Yeah, but they do. Look, show them this one. Bring your camera over here. Show them this guy, the banana. He's a Minion exclusive. Look, watch.
C'est la banana! Yum, yum!
Yum, yum!
Patenko.
That's
They got a lot of
hilarious.
fun Minion toys.
Yeah, I need to get some of the blind bags. They're fun. Okay, where are we going now?
I don't know.
Oh, okay.
We'll find out. It's a surprise.
Ah, surprise. Okay, y'all, so we are finished at this Toys R Us and we're off to somewhere else where I do not know because Chad is...
Captain Sparkles.
Look at Chad made out like a bandit today. Woohoo.
It's the Tube Heroes Minecraft YouTubers that have their own toys.
So anyway, we're off to somewhere else because, like I say, Chad is my chauffeur for today, and I'm just enjoying the ride.
Let's
right,
go.
Chad? Let's
yeah,
go.
let's go.
Okay, bye. Let's go. Okay guys, so in a One World Market where we called because I told Chad, I said I have been in the stores where they sell all kinds of different candies, international candies and everything. So we found this store and now we are, yeah, in heaven here.
They've got so many cool things here. I just blows my
I'm
mind.
so excited. So Chad's already started his basket.
These are
Woo!
chocolate surprise eggs with extra toys inside, Pokemon and Mario.
Yes, and I have started my basket. Yes, yes, and we are probably going to be in here for quite some time.
Look, I'll show you guys. See, I bought one, and they come
Yeah.
with these cool figures you have to put together, like these Mario ones, and they're chocolate egg, like Kinder. So I'm so excited. Yeah.
That is so awesome. So I did get some of those as well, and we're going to be doing like a tasting, kind of seeing if we like this, you know, kind of food and stuff. So that's going to be fun. So yeah, a lot more shopping to do. But look, I'm going to show you kind of, oh my goodness, all the way down and then all the way this way. And this is just one row. Oh my goodness, so exciting. Woohoo! Okay, y'all. So leaving the One World Market with, oh my goodness, jackpot! Woohoo! He left with 2 bags.
I got a bunch of like chips and stuff, different flavored chips that me and Mom are gonna do, and then I got a whole bunch of like the Kinder like type eggs. So I'm real excited to buy those. I really can't get them in America, North America.
Yeah, awesome. So that was great. So excited. So on we go to I don't know where. Okay, y'all. So getting ready to go into the mall and go into toys. No, where are we going? The Disney store.
And maybe Hot Topic.
And maybe Hot Topic. I am not used to going into Disney stores and Hot Topic. You don't see Chad running behind me. He's so goofy.
Just so you guys know where Mom lives, she doesn't have a Disney store, she doesn't have Hot Topic.
No. So I'm so excited to get in here.
Yeah, let's go.
See. So here we go. Woohoo! Okay, look, I'm in the Disney store. Look at Cinderella and Lady Tremaine, and oh my stars, love. Gonna get Fairy Godmother for sure. Yay! See, I got Chad sitting in the floor with me at the Disney store.
They're used to me sitting in the floor.
Oh, I always
so
say,
bizarre.
look at the floor. I love the floor. Sparkly red. So anyway, yeah, I'm gonna have a really tough decision today here because I want so much in here and I have a budget, so you know I can't buy all this stuff. But anyway, so gorgeous, can't wait to yeah, I'm gonna get this one. I'm gonna definitely get this one. Love. Yay. Look y'all, Tsum. Oh my goodness, look at the adorable little faces. Lots of adorable little Tsum faces. They are so cute. But none, Chad, of the Little Mermaid ones that we just got.
Yeah, because they sold out before the day was over.
Yes, they did. Oh my goodness, I might have to get some of these. Oh, so cute. Okay, y'all, that was so much fun. Disney store, yay, and Hot Topic. Chad's carrying my Hot Topic bag. I kind of went just a little crazy in Hot Topic because, you know, like I say, don't have one.
A lot of crazy.
A lot of crazy. And yeah, I'll probably be, look at these doors. Okay, I'll probably be back to the Disney store because I got a coupon. What? So excited. So on to our next store. I don't know what it's going to be. Surprise. Look guys, Five Below. I do not have a Five Below and Chad is dancing. We're going to have fun in this store. I can already tell. Okay, guys, done in Five Below, but I didn't get anything.
I cut my finger. I have to hold it like this because my middle finger, and I can't just show you my middle finger. It would be very inappropriate. So look, I cut my finger.
Poor
We're in the
Chad.
middle of the street.
Oh yeah, we just stopped in the middle of the street. You started
finger, boo boo.
So now we're going. Where are we going? Barnes and Noble. Woohoo! Yeah, we're fixing to go into Barnes and Noble. Like you know, I don't have a Barnes and Noble, but guess what? I'm going into one. And okay, let's watch Chad dance. Oh, Barnes and Noble! Yeah!
I'm gonna do every single store now.
Mystery minis, Disney heroes and villains. Oh my goodness, I have these. I have a whole box. I have a whole box of those. I need to get those open. Oh my goodness.
It'll be hilarious. And say, go subscribe and say Chad sent me. Hashtag Chad sent me. The end. It will be funny.
It will be funny.
Do it. Kind of. I showed you Chewie before.
Chad found Chewie.
He's so cute. Not even a huge Star Wars fan, but I love this one. I want to take him home and walk him around the neighborhood like that.
You're hilarious. Okay guys, I'm getting the pop figures, the sadness and fear and anger and even some more yummy keycaps because I do not have all of those yet. So, oh so exciting. Love, love. So we're in here in Books-A-Million and the lady sees us looking for all of these pop figures and she's like, here, you could just go through all of these boxes. So she's let us sit here and go through all of these boxes looking for the pop figures that we want. What you got?
Bing bong.
Ding
I
dong.
only have one of him.
I know.
So what we're going to do is go home and get a saw and saw them right in half. And then they also have two. This is the first time I've seen Disney fabrications. The fabrications.
I know. I love those.
I hope they have more. I do too. And I really liked them since the beginning, but I've not ever been like a huge Star Wars fan or anything. So I was asking. I was just over there. I was like, man, I wish I had Disney ones. And she's like, well, actually. I'm like, oh,
we do.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, yeah, so Barnes & Noble was so much fun. Got some pop figures and some yummy keycaps. Now I'm going to have to find 4 more of the pop figures because there's 6 in the Inside Out collection. So, yeah, I'm going to be on the hunt for those. So that was so much fun. Okay, guys, now we're at Hallmark and I'm looking for itty bitties. I know Frozen has 2 new itty bitties coming out, but I still need Elsa on it anyway. So I'm really hoping I can find them in here. So here we go into Hallmark. Okay, y'all, so finished up in Hallmark ended up getting 8 itty bitties. So I'm so excited. I didn't film in there because, yeah, I wasn't sure if I was supposed to.
She is being a bad YouTuber.
Well, the manager kept following us around and talking to us, so it was kind of she loved us. Okay, anyway, so I'm excited to get some more itty bitties. So Chad and I are sitting in line at McDonald's because
Thank you.
he is buying some more Lola's pet chops, and it's gonna be a surprise what we get because we could not understand what the lady said.
I kind of understood, but either she said she has 2 or she has the number 2. I hope she said she has the number 2 because I only bought 1 and I need the number 2.
Right, because he only has 3 and 4. But anyway, so this is our last stop of this shopping trip. It has been so much fun, and yeah, I got a lot of awesome stuff, and we're gonna find out in just a minute what number check out. What did you
We're
get?
gonna see right now.
What'd you get? Oh,
This is not the number 2.
what is
This
it?
is the number not 2. It's the number 3. I already have him. I'm very upset.
Guess what I got? Oh gosh. Anyway, guys, that was so much fun. I had a blast on this shopping trip. You know, got to go to lots of places that I do not have. So anyway, I'll see you guys again next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.